Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to Islamistic.com. So this will be an introductory video about what is Islamistic.com and why have we decided to make a new channel, make a new blog, make a new website for Islamistic.com. This modern age has become such an age where massive, large number of people has been coming to Islam. And at the same time, we have huge number of people who are against Islam and who are writing articles and books and publishing their journals and teachings through websites, through books, and through universities. There are centers that are specially uh, established in order to preach hate message about Islam. So the new Muslim or the newcomers to the Islam, they find it really hard to find an authentic way to start their new life. So Islamistic.com is solely established and solely it has begun in order to guide the new Muslim and the newcomers to the Islam. At the same time, we in this portal, this platform will be perfect for those who have very less knowledge of Islam and want to learn more about Islam, despite of their religion being different. So Islamistic.com will be covering a step-by-step guide and that will help new Muslims and newcomers or the learners of Islam to understand about Islam from the very basic to such an extent that they will be now comfortable in understanding various aspects of Islam. So we'll be talking about Hadith, we'll be talking about Quran, we'll be talking about lifestyle of a Muslim, we'll be talking about history of Islam. We'll also be talking about faith or belief system and different actions to be performed or different forms of worship. What is worship? So basics till the advanced level, we'll be covering about all of them. And may Allah help us to continue with our effort in order to provide an authentic knowledge of Islam. And yes, we are human beings. We are trying to explain everything as per our understanding. So we might be wrong. So if you find that we have made some mistakes in our explanation, in our description, in our understanding, then please feel free to correct us, because we don't regard ourselves to be a teacher, but we are also a student and teacher for some. We are students for many and teachers for some. So with a positive attitude, with the attitude of learning and exploring Islam, first for me and then for you, let's get started with Islamistic.com. And if you are willing to learn about Islam from the very basics and from the beginning, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share with your friends who are in need of a platform to explore Islam. So I suggest you to share with those friends as well, and feel free to communicate and question us. We are not here to spread hate. We are here to spread love and spread the knowledge. So we are not here to attack any other religions. We are not here to comment on any other religions. Yes, sometimes we might need to quote other religions for the reference in order to elaborate our knowledge. But this will be the platform for the learners, for the beginners, not the place to debate, not a place to have a hate speech. We are here to for education. We are here for love. We are here for affection, not for hate, not for debates. So feel free to correct us if we are wrong, and stay tuned for the latest videos. And for those who don't know, we also have an Islamic blog with the same name, Islamistic.com. You can visit our blog for all of the articles that we have published till date, and we recommend you to start from the very beginning instead of starting from or picking up the random articles from Islamistic.com. If you want to learn and follow Islam, we recommend you to start from the very beginning of the articles and go through each of them one by one as per your feasibility in time, and try to involve in discussions and questions if you are finding it hard, and we'll be more than happy to address you. and whatever benefit we get from these blogs, these videos, and these YouTube channels, we'll be doing our best to spend them in those new Muslim brothers and sisters who are finding it hard to live their life because of their low economy. So we'll be helping them in order to uplift them and in order to help them stay in a Muslim community. So with this, and I have few suggestions for the learners, that we are not here to learn to compete somebody. We are not here to learn for the worldly benefits. This should be purely for the sake of Allah. That's what we call ikhlas in Islam. So ikhlas is an Arabic word which means that every actions we perform, we do it for the pleasure of Allah. We do it for the sake of Allah. So this learning, or this let's say striving to gain the knowledge of Islam, is just for the sake of Allah. So with these pure intentions, let us start our journey of Islamistic.com. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and if you like the video, don't forget to like and share the video. And the purpose of like and shares is not to get like and shares, but to help this video reach to other people so that they can get benefited from the video as well. So with this message, this will be our introductory video, and we'll be publishing a video for each article we publish on Islamistic.com. So if you have a video about faith, belief system, we'll be also publishing an article about faith and belief. So whoever is a good reader, they can refer to our article, and if somebody finds it hard to or boring to read, they can refer to the video as well. So we'll be trying to make our video more advanced, use some animations for proper understanding as per our resource in future. But for now, for a few more days and for a few more videos, we'll be dealing or making the videos this way. I'll be talking, or if we have some more scholars, we'll invite them and ask them to deliver some speech on some topics, and this way you will be benefited as well. And this video will also be get published on in our Islamistic.com blog. So make sure you visit the website and get benefited from it. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.